soft, swirled and perfectly moist. This marble banana bread is one of those recipes that looks beautiful but is so simple to make. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's make marble banana bread today. I'm starting with one ripe banana. Just mash it really well until it's smooth and lump free. To this I'm adding melted butter or softened butter. Basically the butter should be at room temperature, and mix both of these until everything looks glossy and well combined. Now goes in the brown sugar, and you want to mix it until it slightly dissolves into the banana mixture. I'm also adding half a teaspoon of vanilla essence and maple syrup, giving it a really good mix so all the flavors come together. Mix it to form a homogenized mixture. For the dry ingredients, sift whole wheat flour, baking powder and baking soda along with a pinch of salt. Sift everything together. This step helps remove any lumps and also makes the batter lighter and more even. Gently fold the dry mix. Do not overmix here. To adjust the consistency, I am adding some milk, approx 3 tablespoons, or just enough to bring everything together into a smooth, slightly thick batter. For the chocolate layer, mix cocoa powder with a little milk to make a smooth lump-free paste. Then combine this with half of the batter, mixing it gently until it turns into a rich chocolate mixture. Now let's start layering both the batters into a lined baking pan, alternating between plain and chocolate batter. And using a skewer, just slightly swirl it, not too much. We want those beautiful patterns to stay visible. The batter should look smooth and thick, not runny. Preheat the oven at 175 degrees Celsius and bake this banana bread batter for 25 to 30 minutes or until it's perfectly baked and your kitchen smells amazing. Let it cool completely before slicing. And just look at that swirl. Soft, moist and perfectly balanced between banana and chocolate. Each slice is soft, fluffy and perfectly moist with just the right touch of chocolate in every bite. It's the kind of bake that looks beautiful on the outside and feels even better when you taste it. You can check the detailed recipe with ingredients in the description below. If you enjoy simple, wholesome bakes like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy baking!